Welcome children. Today we are going to learn EVS 1 My Delightful School. Why do we go to school? We go to school to learn. We make many friends in school. We study with each other's help. We play together and share our tiffins. We take part in school functions and go on trips together. We come together to clean and decorate the classroom. There are so many things which we do together. It is great fun to do so. Do you know? I got a letter. This is the story of a school in Kolavali in Ratnagiri district. The teacher took his student to the post office to show them how the postal system works. He explained it working to the student, but to give them a first-hand experience of how it works. He used a novel idea. He wrote a letter to every child telling them about their progress in studies, in sports, their interest in activities. The children were thrilled to see the letter. They showed their letter to everyone, saying, I got a letter. Some even sent a reply to the letter. They sent greeting cards to the teacher at the time of Diwali. A few days later, the teacher taught the students how to send emails. One letter sent by the teacher awakened a new enthusiasm in the students. The school became an enjoyable place for them. Cooperations. If we help each other, we can succeed at anything. Work becomes enjoyable. In order to help one another, we must first understand our mutual needs and difficulties. There may be a new student in class or student who lives far away from their parents. There may be someone who speaks a different language at home. Some may have an older brother or sister to help them, and some may not. Because of this diversity, everyone has the different needs. We must try to understand these needs. Children with special needs. Every child should every child should get the joy of learning in school. All children with special needs have the right to education. Many parents of children with special needs send their children to school with great determination. The government also has many schemes for them. Respect for diversity. We all wear a uniform in school. However, on days when the uniform is not compulsory, the classroom becomes colorful. It is fun to attend a class where there is a lot of diversity. Our customs, languages, and eating habits may be different, but as human beings, we are all alike. When we respect this diversity and help each other, we enjoy being in school. School becomes delightful. What solution? Pintu and Pinky have both got admission in kindergarten. Every day when the school bus comes to take them to school, they cry and cry. How will you explain to them why they must not why they must go to school? What we have learned. We get many different friends in school. In school, we come to know about the diversity in our country. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. All children, including those with special needs, have the right to education. When we offer and seek help, learning becomes